How many potential clients are you losing because no one answers after hours? Or worse, because no one follows up? It's painful to think about. All that money you're spending on Google ads or SEO just to let leads slip away. But the good news is you can stop the leak. In the last video, I promised you to show you how to fix that with one AI-powered workflow. Qualify the lead, summarize the result, send it straight to your CRM. Today, I'll walk you through how to build a voice AI intake assistant that does exactly that. And the best part? You don't need to write a single line of code. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to build a real voice AI lead assistant, summarize lead conversations using AI, send results into Airtable automatically, and plug it all together with tools you may already have and use. Let's get into it. Here's what we're building: an AI voice assistant that answers incoming calls, asks a few qualifying questions, listens for intent, and then creates a summary of the conversation. That summary is instantly sent to your intake system, like Airtable, via a webhook. I'm using Retell for the voice assistant, NAN for the automation, and Airtable as the storage backend. But this pattern works with Zapier, Voiceflow, Bubble, or Make. And yes, you can build this entire workflow in under an hour, even if you're not technical. Let's start with a voice agent. Inside Retell, we configure our AI agent just like a receptionist. It starts with a greeting. Thanks for calling the law office of Johnson and Feldman. How can I help you today? Then, we guide the AI with a few smart prompts to qualify the lead. Are you calling about a workplace injury, car accident, or something else? Have you already received medical treatment? Was anyone else involved? The goal isn't to get a full case history. It's to collect just enough context to know if this is a good lead. Once the AI has that info, we give it a summarization prompt, something like this. Summarize the caller's issue and whether they are a good fit for our firm in 2 to 3 sentences, and format the output as adjacent. This is where the magic happens. Retell sends the summarized conversation to a webhook URL. That's where NAN comes in. In NAN, we set up a webhook to receive the JSON payload. From there, we parse the JSON, extract the fields we need, such as name, issue, phone number, and summary, and send that to Airtable. Airtable acts as our CRM or lead intake board. When someone calls in, their conversation summary shows up instantly, organized, timestamped, and searchable.
Ready to automate your intake? DM me or comment below. I'll send you the exact walkthrough, plus Retell prompt, Airtable template, and step-by-step guide.
Let me show you what that looks like. It's fast, it's accurate, and it runs 24/7. Now I want to zoom out for a second. We did this for a law firm that was struggling with missed calls, scheduling errors, and overwhelmed staff. After 4 months with Voice AI agents, staffing costs dropped by 55%, client satisfaction jumped 35%, and call handling time decreased by 60%. That's not a theory. That's a real firm using the exact workflow I just showed you. What if you're not using Retell or NAN? No problem. You can replicate this with Zapier to receive the webhook, or use Voiceflow to design the AI conversation visually, or Bubble if you want to build a custom front end. The tools don't matter as much as the pattern. Qualify, summarize, send, and store. When this happens automatically, you stop losing leads. You don't need to worry about someone missing a call, or about handwritten notes not making it into the system. And your team? They're no longer buried in intake calls. They can focus on closing cases, not chasing leads. If this sounds like something your firm needs, DM me or drop me a comment below and I'll send you the exact walkthrough. Want to see what this could look like inside your system? Book a free discovery call and I'll walk you through the whole process. And if you want the Retell prompt or NAN template, happy to share that too. AI isn't the future. It's already working for firms like yours. Let's put it to work for you.
Don't wait. Every missed call is money out the door.